right, $100 to $1,000 on Polymarket. I'm going to teach you exactly how to flip $100 into over $1,000 on Polymarket. Now, let's get straight into it. If you don't know what Polymarket is, it's basically a platform where you bet on predictions such as who will be the next French president, right? Most of you guys already know how Polymarket works, but there is a very big opportunity right now to make a fuck ton of money with Polymarket. Now, I've done this myself. I've been mentioned on Forbes magazine at 16 years old for making over $100,000 from meme coins. I know a good opportunity when I see one, and this is a good opportunity. So, $100 to $1,000 on Polymarket. Now, all of this really comes down to emotion, right? If you have been trading already, it doesn't matter if it was meme coins, Polymarket, or any other sort of trading, you probably know that emotion is a very big factor in your trades. And let's not kid ourselves here. If you're saying that, oh, I don't get emotional when I trade, you do get emotional. There's multiple different types of emotions, of emotional states. Emotional is when you go on, for example, BTC up or down 5 min, and you see that the chart matches up with the volume and whatever, and you're like, huh, should I do it? Should I do it? That's hesitation. That's emotion. You have to be like a robot, right? The moment you start getting emotional is the moment you will make bad trades. I know this myself. I've done this myself. Okay, so you can't be emotional, obviously. You personally, you need to be on the level of Lou Bloom from the movie Nightcrawler. If you know what Nightcrawler is, I recommend you guys watch it. It's a really good movie. This guy is a fucking psychopath, but he has some really good lessons about striving and being emotionless to getting your goal. Basically stoicism, right? I guess you can say that. You have to get on the level of Lou Bloom right here. You have to be like this guy, right? I'm not saying you have to be fucking coked out on your mind, trading like this, like fucking looking at the chart and fucking, no, I'm just saying you gotta be like him, but without being a fucking psychopath and killing fucking stray animals. Okay. Let's get back to the point. Never feel any emotions when you're trading or also in business, right? And that's easier said than done. This is of course very hard as humans are emotional in nature. Hence why you need a system to literally make you emotionless. It's very easy to say that, okay, I'm gonna be less emotional now, I'm gonna be emotionless, I'm gonna test it out. Listen, you're gonna always be emotional, right? No matter what anyone says, you're always gonna be emotional. That's just our nature, unless you're a fucking psychopath who kills stray animals. Okay, I need to stop fucking talking about killing stray animals. I don't want to get demonetized. But if you're a normal human being, which I assume you are, then it's pretty much impossible to be emotionless. Obviously, you can suppress emotions while you're manually trading, right? That is possible, but you'll never get the emotional state of a bot or a psychopath or like a Lou Bloom, right? Because you're just not wired that way. And no amount of testing and trying to be emotionless will actually make you emotionless with business. So that's why you need a system. And with Polymarket, the best market trade in my opinion to get those quick profits, if you want to actually scalp trade and go in, out, in, out, in, out, is the BTC 5 min up or down market. Obviously there are like sports betting and all this other stuff, but that takes a lot of time. Your time is valuable, my time is valuable. I personally don't want to be fucking waiting around until some fucking World Cup ends to make measly 2x or 3x. That's shit, right? With BTC up or down 5 min, you can make literally up to 100x within 5 minutes. Obviously that's very, very hard to do, but I actually made close to a 20x on one trade on one of my previous vids. But regardless, you want to be trading this market. There are also like Ethereum up or down. Let me just put this here. There's like Ethereum up or down 5 min, Solana up or down 5 min, and all these other ones, but these have a very thin order book and liquidity, and rich shit. You don't want to do it, right? So you want to trade this. Now the issue is if you trade this, you're going to be way more emotional because it's just it's scalp trading. It's 5 minutes, right? And 5 minutes can make or break your balance if you all in. So in my opinion, you need some sort of bot. I use a bot which auto trades this, but I also manually trade while the auto trader is on, right? So auto trading with some scalp trading. I really love this. I see a lot of people covering just auto trading and they're like, oh, just put it to sleep and you'll wake up and you have fucking $1 billion. You know, for some bots that is true, right? But I am a bit paranoid. I'm a bit of a paranoid schizo. So I like to also scalp trade. So if I see the price goes up while the auto trader buys in something, you know, I like to monitor it. I did leave it on a couple of times, but you know, it's kind of hard for me to sleep. You know, that's my emotional side, right? Maybe for you, it's going to be easier to just leave the auto trading bot on and go to sleep and wake up with a fucking $bazillion, right? Like I said, this is the best strategy for BTC 5-min markets, as these markets are very volatile, and trading them as a human manual on Polymarket is plain retarded. Bots see the price faster, so many other aspects. You know, bots are faster than humans, right? I don't think I have to explain myself on that. There is too much to keep tab of: chart formations, liquidity, volume book, etc. And also obviously the fucking price. Now, introducing Polyorb V2. So if you don't know what Polyorb is, it's a web interface. It was actually a Telegram bot, but they made an update literally 1 day ago, right here. As you guys can see, beautiful, sexy trailer. Make sure to follow them and like them as well. I'm also going to be making a vid how to make money with $0 on Polymarket. That's going to be a very interesting vid. I recommend you guys watch that as well. If you could also like and subscribe right now, trust me, just do it. I'm going to teach you so much fucking sauce for completely free. All these other fucking fakes out here are charging money for this shit. Well, I give you everything for free because I love you, but not in a homosexual way. I just love you as a... Okay, I'll just stop, okay? You have a bunch of features such as prediction insider signals. You know, we're not going to be covering that in this vid, but we're going to be covering the Oracle mode. This is the most important mode, or, you know, thing in this bot, in my opinion. So I'm going to link it down in the description below. If you use my link, you're going to save 10% off of fees. It's completely free, by the way. They take like 0.3% or 0.2% per transaction, something like that, as low as 0.3. So you want to press open Polyorb / launch the terminal. And it took us to a connect Telegram page right here. I'm going to connect my Telegram. All right, so I logged in. There's like a little thing which makes you verify that, you know, it's you. It's like tap the number that you see on the browser. That's for safety purposes. And this bot, it has a, you know, Telegram version. You can use it on Telegram, and you can also use it on your phone. Both works just as fine. I really prefer the web app. And you have lots of features such as, you know, markets, the Oracle mode. This is the most important one. As you can see, I was actually cooking with this like 40 minutes ago. Got a few losses, and then I made $100 right here. There's a few other ones as well, but I already sent in my wallet. I'm going to show you exactly how to start this yourself. There's a post so you can look at new markets. It's kind of like Axiom or Bullex with meme coin trading, if you guys know what that is. Prediction insiders, arbitrage opportunities. This is a 14% arbitrage opportunity right here, which is crazy. 14.4% profit, like no matter what, you know, it's arbitrage. You know, you have the portfolio. I removed the wallets, but as you can see, I got a 26k PNL over 150 trades. I did do some mining off camera. Most of the wins were actually recorded on my channel, but in reality, it's more like 10 or 11k I'm in profit. I'm like down 15k from manually trading on Polymarket and also using other bots. So like with this one, I made like 11k within like from June 29th. So yeah, like a month, right? A month. And you have rewards. I have $27 in cash back. We have like airdrop opportunities for completely free. That's going to be covered in a different vid. But obviously you want to get started with the auto trading model. So first, you got to create a wallet. When you create a new wallet, it's going to give you your private key. Copy this, save it, and don't like put it in anywhere. You know, this is like the master key of your wallet. Okay, I have saved my private key, continue, and now we have a wallet right here. Now in the deposit and withdraw page, you're gonna have multiple options such as Bitcoin, USDT, like a bunch of coins to send. Polymarket bridges them via their official bridge. I already select Polygon USDC, so I'm gonna send $100 or something like $100 to this wallet right here. So I'll catch you guys in a second. Okay, so I sent just over $100. And with Oracle mode, we're gonna go here. So we're actually gonna pop me like, we're gonna like put me here. You have this terminal. So it's autonomous BTC 5-min upside down trading with a probabilistic edge model. If you don't know what that is, I don't fucking either, to be honest, right? I just know it made me money before. I kind of know how it works. It's all in the Git book, which is on their site, but I'm not going to bore you guys with the details. So you can either manually buy in, right? So I'm going to buy in like $1.5, buy up. Okay, confirmed. You can, you know, manually sell. Oh, look at that. We're up like 9 cents. Also, you get sexy PNL cards sent to you right here. Look at this. 9 cents up already. But obviously, you know, you don't want to scalp trade on here. I mean, yeah, you do, but you want to do the auto trader, the Oracle mode. So you have two models. with Polyworld. You have Pulse V 2.0 version 2, which trades often and aims for small, steady wins. It watches the 5-minute BTC up/down market and bets when one side looks a little too cheap. Then you have the Moonshot model, which swings for defenses. It waits out each round. You know, it's like a Moonshot model, right? It buys in like 2 cents, 1 cent. Most of the time it loses money, but once in a while it makes you money. For example, somewhere here, I don't know where it is. I showed you guys earlier, right? So Moonshot is the model which, you know, you can make 100x, but you got to run it for a pretty long time, and obviously you need a higher bankroll. All of this also depends off your bankroll. I recommend you do this with a minimum of $100. Honestly, if you're doing Moonshot, which I mean, I've had pretty good experience with it, you need way more than $100. I'd say like 1,000, because all of this works statistically, right? You know, the Polyworld guys in their Gitbook, they explain, says right here, one trade, right? If you just trade once or twice or even 10 times, it tells you pretty much nothing, right? It's luck, right? A good bet loses often, a bad bet wins often. It's just luck. Your results converge towards the model's real edge as the trade count grows. So the sample size has to be big enough that it outweighs luck, where statistically, mathematically speaking, you will be up money, right? But that's only with a certain amount of trades, right? You know, the more windows you trade, the smaller the part luck plays in your total, and the closer your outcome sits to the edge that the bot has. That's why a sample has to pass a certain size before it means anything. And the same effect runs in both directions. Volume does not create an edge. It reveals edge that is already there. A model with a positive edge grinds towards profit over hundreds of trades. A model with a negative edge grinds towards a loss just as reliably and a little faster, because every trade also pays a fee. So if you want, you can be DJing like I am, right? Where, you know, you put in like 10% each trade. Now obviously, you know, if you put in less, then obviously you're going to be making less, but over time you're statistically more likely to make money. But if you want to get those quick gains, you're feeling a bit more riskier, you can obviously, for example, select a higher preset, right? You have saved 5%, 10%, 15, 25, and 50 of your entire balance, you know, each trade, and you're constantly a fixed dollar amount. This is pretty good. Custom percentage of your balance, and you also have auto redeem winnings right here. So that's why I said I'll say realistically at minimum you need like $100 if you want to do this safely. Listen, you can do it with $20, right? Like put in a couple of dollars, just check that it works, whatever. But then that's just luck. And me saying to you that it's, you know, that it'll make you a fuck ton of money, you know, that's not true, right? If you only place a couple of trades, if you have $100, you can go onto Fix right here and just bet $1 per trade on Pulse V 2.0 or the Moonshot one. But the Moonshot one, I'd say you need a bit higher of a bankroll, because obviously it buys in like 2 cents, 1 cent markets. So size in that you survive long enough to get those 100 or 200 trades. You know, those trades go by pretty fast, especially because it's a 5-minute market. You know, and the bot doesn't bet every single, you know, market. It looks for the edge, right? A stake that risks a large share of your balance can end the run during an ordinary losing streak before the sample ever glows large enough to matter. And that's why preset tiers start at 5%, and you know, yada yada yada. I explained this already, right? So if you want to run it, you know, the Gitbook is going to be on their site, but I have $100, so I'm going to put in 5%. I'm going to choose safe 5%. Now that is a little bit not really risky. I mean, you know, it doesn't get to the sample size, right? But it's a bit more safe in my opinion, right? So I'm going to start it. And okay, we got it started. Pulse V 2.0 is live. Okay, wait, let me see if you guys can see. Okay, as you can see right here, our auto trading bot is now on, and we can also run simultaneously the Moonshot one. We gotta have a different wallet, because there's also multi-wallets in this bot, which is really cool. As you can see, it bought in at 75 cents at $5.25, and it's showing on the Oracle mode as well. And we can either manually sell, right? So as you can see, we sold a bit here, and boom, you know, that's like 14 cents profit. And you know, you can scalp trade this. I like to scalp trade it when I want to get those, you know, quick trades. For example, it buys in at like maybe 30 cents, 20 cents, goes up to like 40, 50 cents. That's a 2x. You don't have to wait until resolution to make a 2x, right? You can scalp it. You can make a 2x, even from it going from like 5 cents to 10 cents, right? But if you want to run the bot properly to get that edge, then just leave it on. Put in like $100. Go do something. Make sure you get in a certain amount of trades, like over 100, I'd say, right? Any less than that, you're just pretty much gambling, right? But that's how you can flip $100 to $1,000. I did this myself. You know, I did this myself. For example, I scalp traded right here. This is July 10th. Made like 2K profit, $100 here. There were also a few losing trades, obviously, right? There's like, that's just how the bot works. And I turned $100 into $600. Oh, okay. And it just fucked us at the last second there if you guys saw that. But that's Polyworld V2. I recommend you guys check check it out. I really like Verbot, and honestly, you don't even need to use Polyorb to make money, right? You can use any other bot out there. I use Polyorb myself personally, but just keep in mind the lessons, right? Just don't be emotional, right? You need something which will make you not emotional, right? Like, subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoyed the vid, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.